About to do another cool job for these folks who make or help make satellites. I'll tell you more here shortly. So at this facility, they help make satellites. I'm not sure of the entire scope of the work, but they use a lot of CNC route, which I have some familiarity with. So what I'm doing is I'm running my camera through their CNC router exhaust system to see if they have any clogs. Because the last time I was here, they had a clog, and I was able to bust through it using our equipment. Should have brought my tripod. So now I'm going down a shaft. I'm in a vertical shaft, and you can tell because this is wobbling around. Otherwise, the camera wouldn't be doing that. That's the dust collector right there. Some loose stuff in there. So the pileup is kind of where the two meet together.